Hello, I'm going to do a video on my mic stand. I want to add a shock mount to my mic, but I want to put on a stand instead of having it on a swing arm. So what I did is I ended up using a 2.5 pound weight and about a 4-inch bolt, and I got a shock mount. I glued the bolt with Gorilla Glue, of course, like Gorilla Glue everything. Gorilla glued the bolt to the 2.5 pound weight, and then I painted the bolt, painted the glue, added a bit of foam for rigidity. 2.5 pound is heavy enough to hold the necessary weight. Next, I cut out some of the foam in a circle for the bottom to hold the weight stable on my desktop. Alright, I start taking the microphone apart from the old stand. Once it's connected, I start attaching it to the new stand. First, I start with the shock mount. Attach the microphone to the shock mount. There's a little bolt at the bottom that connects the microphone to the shock mount. Once it's connected, I then start adding a shock mount onto the weight. The bolt screws right on, spin it a few times until it hooks up nice and tight. There's a swivel. Those are already in place, so I do not need to adjust the swivel. Testing it a bit, making a few adjustments. And there, it's connected. Next is the optional pop filter. Screws right onto the bolt. Once connected, adjust the pop filter, and you're ready to go. Testing. Thank you for watching.